How to use a tanning bed at Planet Fitness. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to use the tanning beds at Planet Fitness, especially if it's your first time. First, you'll need a black card membership and be at least 18 years old. Head to the front desk and let the staff know you'd like to tan. They'll guide you through a quick skin type questionnaire and help you choose between a lay down bed or a stand up boot. Once you're assigned a room, grab your tanning goggles, which you can purchase at the front desk if you don't have your own, and apply indoor tanning lotion if you have it. The staff will set a delay timer, usually around 5 minutes, to give you time to undress and prepare. When the timer starts, enter the bed or boot. You can adjust the fan speed for comfort. For your first session, limit your time to 5 minutes or less to avoid burning. The maximum session time is typically 9 minutes. After your session, get dressed and wipe down the equipment with the provided sanitizer.